Good morning. I am Mrs. JP Suchitra from Dr. MGR Educational Research Institute. Now I am going to explain number system. So these are the information which is in this PPT, that is PowerPoint presentation. So number system. So number system is used to perform numerical calculation, and then it is used abacus was developed, then data is stored in a format. Types of number system. So first one is non-positional number system. Second one is positional number system. Non-positional number system. It's nothing but the symbol represents a value regardless of its position. Non-positional number system is nothing but it's difficult to perform arithmetic operation. For example, so these are the non-positional number system. So Roman letter 1, 2, 3, like that. The next one is positional number system. Its symbols represents the different values depending upon the position. That is, the value of each digit is determined by digit itself, position of the digit, base of the number system. So next one is decimal number system. So here you have 0 to 9, the numbers we can use. So the base is equal to 10. It uses only the 10 different symbols. For example, so these are the example for the number system, that is decimal number system. Then bit. Bit is a binary digit 0 or 1. Then this is the smallest possible unit of data. Then it's work with the group of bits. Next one is byte. Byte is nothing but the group of 8 bits. It is used to represent one character. Next one is binary number system. So according to the positional weightage, the base 2 is arranged. That is, the base is 2. Why? Because only two numbers we have used, 0 and 1. Each position represents a power of the base 2. For example, conversion from 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, decimal is octal number system. So the base is 8. Largest single digit For example, decimal number, that is equivalent decimal to the octal number 421 is 273. Hexadecimal number system. So the base of this number system is 16. Here you have the combination of 0 to 9 and A to F, that is alphanumeric characters. For example, decimal equivalent to the hexadecimal number 1421 is 1057. So these are the tabular column for decimal, binary and hexadecimal numbers. Conversion of decimal representation to binary. Determine the binary equivalent of 36 to the base 10. So this is the way we can do 36, that is the number 36 is divided by 2. Each and every time you have to divide it by 2, so that you will get the remainder. The remainder you should write it in the backward form, so that you will get the answer. So least significant bit, the upper one is the least significant bit, the lower one is the most significant bit. Next one is conversion of binary representation to decimal. Here you have two ways to do this problem. Method 1. So this is the method 1. The binary number is given 11010. So in this way you can do it according to the positional weightage. Method 2. So this is a method 2. Conversion of hexadecimal to binary. Each hexadecimal digit is equivalent to 4 binary digits. For example, binary equivalent to 2C. You have to separate like this, and then the equivalent binary form you have to write. Then you have to connect the both binary numbers. Conversion binary to hexadecimal. The binary digits are arranged in groups of 4 starting from the right. For example, convert the given number to hexadecimal. So the given number you have to write it according to this way, that is the 4 number you have to write like this. Then equivalent number you have to write. Conversion of decimal representation to hexadecimal. Here you can see that 5112, the base 10 is converted into hexadecimal, so that you have to divide the given number by 16 till the remainder you get 0. So in hexadecimal you have a 2 character, one is 0 to 9 number, and then another one is alphabetical order, that is alphanumerical character you have. So both letters and the numbers. So after 9 you have to use the letter. So instead of 15 you have to write F. So the upper one is the least significant bit, the bottom one is the most significant bit. So this is the way you have to write the answer 13F8. Conversion of hexadecimal representation to decimal. Method 1. So the given number you have to write like this. Conversion of octal representation to hexadecimal. Convert each octal decimal to 3-bit binary form. Combine all the 3-bit binary form. Divide the binary number into 4-bit binary form. Convert these 4-bit blocks into the respective hexadecimal symbols. The octal number, binary coded value. The example of 23278. Combining 3-bit blocks we have 010, 011, 010, 111. Dividing of binary numbers into 4-bit binary blocks and converting these blocks into respective hexadecimal symbol. So we have 4D7. Conclusion. Same procedure you have to convert decimal number to binary, octal and hexadecimal. Same procedure to convert from binary, octal and hexadecimal to decimal number. Thank you.